Hello boys and girls, this is CA Mohit Agarwal here and some important announcements coming up from ICAI which I thought it would be very advantageous for all the students that I share with you guys. It is for foundation, inter and final all levels. Now 2-3 big announcements from ICAI. The first announcement is related to examination form. In case by chance you missed out to fill the examination form, you have been given again opportunity of 3 days to fill up the examination form for November 20 exams. Okay, and along with a late fine of 600 rupees, you will have to submit the examination fees. And correction window is also opened, and if you want to change your examination city or any other thing, then you can take advantage of the correction window. And the announcement also says that the correction window will not again be allowed or reopened. So it is the last time the correction window that they are opening, and it will be closing on 13th of September. We'll be reading the notification very soon. And another announcement is related to articleship. Frequently asked question related to articleship also will be covered in this video. Okay, now the first big important announcement. Now many of the students will say, sir, why do you say that it is an important announcement? Because it may not be important announcement for someone, but it is an important announcement for many of you guys. And the heading itself that ICI gives is important announcement, because it is indeed important. So important announcement on 8th September. Reopening of online filling up of examination application form for CA exams November 2020, foundation, inter, final, old, new, everyone. So considering the COVID-19 situation and hardship of the students, it has been decided to reopen the online filling up of examination application form of CA exams November 20 from 9 September, that is from today 10 AM to 11th September. So only 3 days have been allotted. Those who missed out the examination filling up of the examination form, they can do so in these 3 days with late fees of rupees 600. Now regarding correction window, you can change your city, you can change your group, medium. You can change your city, group and medium. And the correction window has already opened from 7th September and it will continue till 13th of September. And please note that there will be no further correction window. The students who are making online examination form through this through these 3 days extension examination form, if you are filling up on 9th, 10th and 11th, their correction window will also close on 13th. So this is what they are saying, that no extension will be given beyond 13th of September, even if you have filled up your examination form late. So 13th September will be the last date to make any changes if you wish. Okay. So this is the important announcement related to examination form and correction window. Now coming to articleship. Before we start with this articleship, I would like to request that you have to subscribe our channel, stay connected with our channel. Lot of content rich videos are coming your way. Already I have uploaded law marathon and audit marathon. Law marathon has been uploaded for inter level also and final level also, and audit marathon has been uploaded for the inter level. Similarly, more such content rich videos will be coming for all levels, foundation, inter and final. Okay, now coming to the articleship. See boys and girls. Various questions were pondering over the mind कि आर्टिकलशिप का कौन सा काउंट होगा पीरियड, कौन सा काउंट नहीं होगा. इंस्टीट्यूट हैज tried to put that to rest, but there are some gray areas still left. Now listen to me. The first question that comes to your mind is, what about the lockdown period? Will it be counted as articleship period from 24th of March till 3rd May? 24th of March till 3rd May, will it be counted as period served? Answer is yes and no. It will be counted as period served, yes, for all, but no those who are already on leave. So generally क्या होता है, जो May 20 में appear करने वाले थे, they were already on leave, they had applied for leave, prior to 24th March. So they will not get the benefit of 24th March to 3rd May. Their period will be counted as absent or leave and not as a period served. See the answer. the period of absence from 24th March till 3rd May shall be counted as period on being practical training. मतलब वो period सर्व माना जाएगा, ठीक है, वो period सर्व माना जाएगा if you were registered as on 24th March, मतलब 24th March या उसके पहले आप registered थे, तो 24th March से 3rd May it will be treated as period served. But 24th March to 3rd May shall be counted as leave for those students who are already on examination leave. So those who are already on examination leave, उनका पीरियड सर्व नहीं माना जाएगा, उनका एब्सेंट ही माना जाएगा, लीव ही माना जाएगा. इट शैल बी काउंटेड एज लीव. अब इसमें थोड़ा सा मेरे को पर्सनल ओपिनियन मेरा है कि इट इज अ बिट अनफेयर फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स हु आर ऑलरेडी ऑन लीव, बिकॉज you know what, their leave automatically should have been cancelled when it was announced that examinations will not take place, or when they opted out, or when institute announced that examination will not take place. So how can they be on the leave? So at least that period should be counted as a period served from the announcement of institute that examinations will no more happen in May 20. From that period till 3rd May, they should also be given as period served. So please, dignitaries, if you're watching this video, please do consider this. And what about, ठीक है, ये तो 24th March से 3rd May का हो गया, period served for all, but those who are already on examination leave, no period served. Now, what about 4th May till 31st August? Now, 4th May till 31st August, will it be counted as leave or will it be counted as a period served? Now, it depends. Institute says if your principal has allowed you to work from home, then it's fine. It's a period served. But if your principal did not allow you to work from home, but still it can be counted as a period served if either of the article or principal were in the containment zone, principal's office or article's residence, either of them were in the containment zone, or no transportation was available, or your state was under a lockdown at that time. From 4th May till 31st August will be treated as period served if the articles have been asked to work from home, or otherwise due to different scenarios. What scenarios? Residence of the article is in the containment zone, principal office is in the containment zone, non-availability of public transport, still complete या फिर partial lockdown in some states, subject to abiding of instructions or advice of the principals by article assistants. But in these scenarios, again, this clause has been inserted, subject to instructions or advice of the principal by article assistant. But at least these grounds have been given so that article can request the principal, look, this is a notification of ICI, this is the stand of ICI, so you have to go by ICI stand. So I, with folded hand, would request all my friends and principals that please do consider these scenarios and treat it as a period served. And again, if you do not abide by the instructions of the principal, then it shall be treated as a period of leave and will have to serve the excess period under the same principle only, not a different one. So again, this sword will be on the neck of the article assistants, that they will have to make sure that the principal gets convinced. Now, when ICI was coming up with this clarification, rather than leaving up to the principal, they should have clearly mentioned the stand that, look, these are the scenarios, baat khatam, period served. Otherwise, leave period. Why do we leave it to the subject of the principals and they will be exercising their jurisdiction on the articles? Now, boys and girls, effect on eligibility. Now, this effect on eligibility of appearance in intern and final exam due to shortfall in the required service period extension of articleship. Now, this is a welcome news. This is a welcome news for all the students that ICI has cleared that because of any shortfall in the period served during this period, if you are ineligible to appear for intern and final, no, it will be deemed that you are eligible. See. So, if because of excess leave between 4th May to 31st August, the attempt of these students will not be extended. Excess leave if you have taken between 4th May to 31st August, your attempt will remain the same. the attempt will not be extended, which means after giving the attempt, you can serve the excess leave period under the same principle. See, the students will have to serve and complete remaining excess period under the same principle. Okay. And what about the stipend? Stipend again, they have left it to be mutually decided between principal and article. Now, stipend is not a very big amount that it has to be article and principal will sit on the table and mutually decide it. ICAI should have mandated that yes, stipend should be given. That's it. The eligibility of stipend for the period during lockdown or unlockdown will be decided mutually between principal and article based on the fact that the students were working, or even if they were not working, they were available to work from home. You did not give them the work. So either working or available to work during these days. Now, this is something, the stipend is mutually decided between principal and article. I find it a bit vague because mutual discussions are possible only between the equals. So, principal is having a dominant position, article is not having the same dominant position. So, how can they mutually decide? Because an article would always be hesitant to talk about stipend with the principal. After the articleship agreement has been signed, article would always be under hesitancy and he will never be able to talk freely with the principal, because again article will be either he respects principal too much or he fears principal too much, or his ethics does not permit. So how will it be mutually decided again? And article will always think that if I say too much about the stipend to the principal, other articles are keeping silent, my impression will go down in the minds of the principal, and then ultimately I may be harassed. So I don't find it that how is it going to be mutually decided. So rather than mutually decided, actually it should have been straight notification that yes, stipend will be available. Anyways, now these are the criterias and these are the frequently asked announcement and questions which have been answered by ICAI, at least tried to be answered by ICAI. Okay. Thank you, boys and girls. Do share the video, do like the video, and keep subscribed to this channel because lots and lots of content rich videos are coming your way. Thank you. God bless you. Love you guys.